a voiceover, you guys. So I'm gonna take my glue, and this glue is from El Diva, but any glue you want to use, lash glue, definitely used, it can be used. I wouldn't recommend a black one, obviously, but yeah, so I'm just putting on the glue in the shape that I want the glitter brows to take. Now this is not sped up, this is in real time, but I'm really attempting for this to be a voiceover. So if I can't go long enough for the 9 minutes, then I'm going to go ahead and just add some music over. But right now what I did, I wait a little bit for make the glue get tacky. When I say tacky, I mean make it get a little bit dry but not too dry, so that the glitter can stick. Then I go ahead, I applied the glitter how I wanted to. I went in with the foundation to kind of give it some structure, to contour the brows themselves. And now I'm going on with the foundation. So the foundations that I'm using, they're from Sasha Cosmetics. It's a foundation, both of them are foundations, but I use them for highlight and I use them for low light as well. Now I do have hyperpigmentation, I do have acne scarring as well. But you see this brush is from our Nehemiah collection. This brush is actually our brush and highlight brush, but I've been using it for my foundation and it's been going on really well. But just for my under eyes, when it comes to all of my face, I prefer a flat top brush like this. Is what I prefer. So right now I'm going to go ahead and just I still applying the powder. Textures on my face, as you guys can see. I'm actually working on my skin right now as I'm speaking to you, so it's getting really better, the texture. And for my eyebrows, I use the same color I use to set my highlighted areas on my face. That's the same powder I use to do my eyebrows as well. So this palette is from Morphe. It's their I don't know, Morphe palette, my love. But any colors you want to use is completely up to you. I'm just showing you the technique, not necessarily the colors. I don't know if that makes sense, but this palette, amazing colors. I love this palette. But yeah, so now for my eyes, I wanted to stay within the pink realm, so that's why I went with like pinks and purples, because I wanted to keep it a little bit light, because I knew that my lips were going to have to be dark, and I was just like, I don't know how I'm going to do my makeup with this thing on my lip. But yeah, so now I'm going in with a darker color. I'm using the palettes. I'm using the black now. See them there? Yes, everything that I use. And then I use the side of the brush. You see that? The side. And I'm patting it on. Everything that, not everything, but you see, if you watch my videos, as in watch it in order to learn, you will definitely pick up stuff. If you attend my classes, it's on the next level, my love. So what I'm going to do right now, what I'm doing is me line my eye with the black eyeliner and blend it out. So now I add the green from the palette, the green eyeshadow. So now I'm using the LA Pro Conceal in Nude, and I'm going to use that as like a base, because I want to put another color right on the inside. Yeah, I want to put a green there because I want it for pop. Plus I wear green that day. I wear one army green bathing suit. Oh, this is the day. There's a vlog coming up after this or before this. I don't know where this vlog is. I really want to start vlogging a lot. This phone is, I cannot. If I start talking to you guys about this phone, it's going to seem like I'm just a horrible person. It is difficult to use this phone on a day-to-day basis. I mean, it drains me mentally. Oh, Jesus, I legit hate this phone. I legit hate this phone. And just to record with it, and remember I told you guys that I have to upload the videos to YouTube, then download it back to the phone. This is the Note 10 that I have. I've been looking to see if it has internal storage or whatever, but the back of the phone did that drop off. I saw me buy it with the back of the phone drop off, so me have to glue it on myself. So I feel like me glue on the phone back now with the memory card for go. Come I look on the phone now as my device where my target through my card to the memory card. Anyway, moving right along. So right here, so now the same foundation we use for doing my highlight, that's the same foundation I'm using to clean up. And this is just what I'm doing to clean up because I want it to look sharper. I don't want it to look I want it to look crisp. Yeah, crisp. I want it to do wing lines and them someday. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing, just a little bit slowly. And a pro tip is to start lower, and then if you're making a mistake, then when you go higher, the mistakes won't be as jarring, or fixing it won't be as jarring. So whenever you're lining your eyes, try lining lower than higher. I don't know if that makes sense. When you're cleaning up, think low when you're cleaning up than high. If you think low, oh my goodness, how can I explain this to you without showing you guys? All right, so right now that I'm doing pulling it up, all right, then so my clean up right there. So now it's when we start a little bit lower. See that? So I start a little bit lower, and then as I clean up, I go further up and up and up. But I look on this, size, and sometimes I get it wrong. So I say, crap, I have to go back. I forgot to clean up. Now when I'm cleaning up or having it to be even, is what I should say, wanting it to be even or making it even, I have to go further up. It's me pulling. Oh, that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. It's the V going up. Yeah, so I have to do that up, and then you see me line it up. Yeah, that makes sense. So I'm blending it out now. Yo, if it makes sense, you let me know in the comments, bro. If it doesn't make sense, don't lie to me. Don't you lie to me over there. Oh, and I should tell you that I'm doing this voiceover. My classes are in Connecticut and Bridgeport. I do teach their certified classes, and I'm putting this green. I got the idea to put the green because I'm like, how can I incorporate the green again? You see me? Because I wanted a rich mixture of green, and I wanted to know how I can do it again. But anyway, I'm like, I'm gonna put that right there. So I don't usually put eyeshadow right there, but I like how it look. And this is what I wore on the road. This is an avant-garde. This is an it's a day. It's just another day. So I wear my makeup every single day. I started with the purple first, you know. And the clips out of order. Oh, it's right. I started to put one look at purple, then I change from the purple and put one green. I kind of like the green better. See, then I put the green. Kind of like how the green look. Yeah. My lashes aren't worn in this video. It's for the other video. I've just collected them this weekend. This was filmed right a week ago or something like that. It was filmed a day before I got the lashes or 2 days before I got the lashes. I don't know. Sorry guys. So the lashes are now available at Vivian's Beauty Supply in Vivian Beauty Supplies in Portmore. Shop 69 Portmore Pines Plaza. They are only $800. We have limited stocks available for Vivian's Beauty Supply. My aim is to sell out every single thing this week. I do not want a lash lift. It is only $800. Only $800, and this is the introductory price. But mean if you sell off this at the introductory price, I want to do the reorder. When I do the reorder for the other lashes, I'm not quite sure the price is going to be like, because I'm changing the designs, but not now past $1,000. Me tell them, I don't like how my thing go up. But yeah. So what else do I have to say? Classes. Oh, Pour Me Fitness belts and all the lashes. Guys, go on my website shopbylyric.com. The lashes are now available, can be shipped to you. The belts are now available, that can be shipped to you. The only thing that's not now available are the brushes. The brushes are still on pre-order. Pre-order, and the brushes have not been shipped as yet. They have not been shipped as yet, and I will update you guys on the website, on my website shopbylyric.com with the brushes. I'm going to put all the information on there. So that can be like a one-stop shop for you guys, like a little hub. Wow, so I need to work on my website this week. Oh, God help me. It's gonna be a long week, and then I'm planning for February. I'm planning some stuff for February for you guys as well, even though we're in the middle right now. Yeah, I'm planning some stuff for February, for March. What else do I need to do? Yeah, I should let you guys know this. For those of you who subscribe to my channel, thank you so much. And for those of you who follow up my website as well, thank you so much. I'll be doing a lot of my updates on those. Oh, the video done. Guys, the video done. I'll be doing a lot of my updates on those platforms. So stay tuned to those. And yeah, I'm done. Thanks for watching, you guys. I didn't realize I was done.